This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials: a verified WhatsApp business account and the phone number you'll use. Once done, open Settings and enable the Connect feature under Integrations. This attaches platform-level permissions. Make sure you have your API token and a reachable webhook URL ready, because you'll enter them immediately. You'll also draft the consent message users will see, concise and clear, since Connect requires explicit opt-in. Now proceed to paste credentials and save to initiate the connection process. Once credentials are stored, authorize the app to access your WhatsApp business account. You'll grant scopes for messages, contacts, and webhooks. Then map incoming events, messages, delivery reports, and read receipts to your webhook handlers so your system reacts predictably. Select the message templates you'll use for notifications and ensure placeholders match your payload fields. Test the entire flow with a sandbox number or staging workspace. This prevents live errors and lets you verify formatting, timing, and error handling before going live. Now switch routing to production and monitor the first wave of traffic. Watch delivery statuses and response latency closely. If messages fail, check logs for webhook retries and signature verification failures, since bad signatures often block delivery. Make sure SSL certificates are valid and URLs reachable, and reissue the API token if authorization errors persist. If reconnecting, pause message campaigns briefly, then re-enable. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm webhook event mappings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.